Welcome to Review Rumble. The best rosemary incense is probably one of the most versatile and beneficial aromatherapy tools available today, offering a unique blend of natural fragrance and potential therapeutic properties that can transform your living space into a sanctuary of calm and focus, making it an essential addition for anyone seeking to enhance their well-being through the power of scent. Number 5. Ceremony Wooden Incense Holder with Glass Ash Catcher. Tired of messy ashes? This innovative holder captures all fallen ashes, keeping your space clean and tidy. No more worries about ash scattering everywhere, even with a breeze. It features an upgraded clip designed to firmly hold incense sticks of various sizes, ensuring a stable burn. This ensures the fragrance is preserved and the incense is not damaged. More than just an incense burner, it's a beautiful piece of art for your home. Watch as fragrant smoke creates a dreamy, beautiful display, bringing joy and anticipation to any room. Its pleasant aroma helps relieve fatigue and stress. It's perfect for creating a relaxed atmosphere in any space, ideal for meditation, yoga, spa, or simply enjoying a quiet moment. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This incense burner is an ideal choice for housewarmings, birthdays, or holidays. It's a perfect way to send your best wishes to loved ones. Your purchase includes a glass ash catcher, brass support rod, wooden base, cleaning brush, and a pack of incense sticks. Everything you need for a complete and satisfying experience. What we like? Tired of messy ashes ruining your space? This incense holder features an innovative anti-ash design that catches all fallen ashes, keeping your surfaces clean. Its alligator head clip securely holds various incense stick sizes, ensuring a stable burn. If you're looking for a functional yet decorative piece that doubles as a beautiful home accent, this is the one for you. What people say. The scent is very calming and relaxing, perfect for meditation or yoga. It burns evenly and the smoke is not too overpowering. The packaging is beautiful and makes it a great gift option. Number 4. Bholi Sage plus Lavender White Sage Incense Sticks. Experience the calming blend of white sage and lavender. This aromatic mix is known to soothe the mind, purify the body, and bring protection and positivity. Our sage is carefully grown and harvested, preserving these sacred plants. Each stick is hand-wrapped with cotton string, ensuring a natural product free from artificial scents. Ideal for anyone seeking balance and harmony. These sticks are perfect for cleansing rituals, meditation, or enhancing yoga sessions. They make a thoughtful gift for those looking to invite positivity. Light your stick at a 45-degree angle and let it burn. Gently blow out the flame, allowing the smoke to clear negative energies and promote calm. Each set contains 4 hand-wrapped smudge sticks, approximately 4 inches long. Use them to clear negativity from your body, mind, or surroundings, inviting luck and blessings. If it does not light immediately, let the flame rest on the stick longer. Ensure adequate ventilation and monitor while in use. Do not inhale the smoke. What we like? Seeking a blend of tranquility and purification? This features a calming mix of white sage and lavender, known for their ability to soothe the mind and cleanse negative energy. It's sustainably sourced and hand-wrapped, offering a natural and pure aromatic experience. If you're looking for a way to enhance meditation, yoga, or simply invite peace into your home, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The scent is very calming and relaxing, perfect for meditation or yoga. It burns evenly and lasts for a good amount of time, providing a consistent aroma. The packaging is beautiful and makes it a great gift option. Number 3. Calmveda Church Frankincense and Myrrh Incense. Experience a pure home fragrance with our incense sticks. Made with flower powder instead of charcoal, they offer a clean and natural scent. We give new life to sacred flowers offered in worship. These holy blossoms are upcycled into our incense, reducing waste and creating a unique aroma. Why use harsh chemicals when you can have natural beauty? Our incense uses IFRA-compliant fragrances for a truly beneficial and relaxing experience. Perfect for daily spiritual practices or church services, these sticks create a warm, earthy, and sweet aroma. It's ideal for prayer and creating a sacred atmosphere. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These handmade, natural incense sticks are a beautiful way to express love, care, and comfort to your cherished ones. What we like? Want a clean and spiritual burning experience? This incense is charcoal-free, made from upcycled sacred flowers, offering a pure and natural fragrance. The blend of frankincense and myrrh provides a warm, earthy, and sweet aroma, perfect for spiritual practices and creating a comforting atmosphere. If you prioritize eco-friendly products and seek an incense for prayer or meditation, this is ideal. What people say. The scent is very calming and relaxing, perfect for meditation or yoga. The incense sticks burn evenly and last for a good amount of time. The packaging is beautiful and makes it a great gift option. Number 2. Sage Smudge Kit for cleansing negative energy. Indulge in a journey of tranquility with our set of 3 smudge sticks. They are crafted from a harmonious blend of rosemary, lavender, and white sage, infusing your space with calming aromas while dispelling negative energies. Explore the essence of nature with our unique blend. Grown with tender care, each stick is a testament to preservation and purity, free from any additives or artificial fragrances. Kindle the path to well-being with these smudge sticks. Beyond their ability to clear negativity, they are a beacon of mental clarity and protection, perfect for gifting to loved ones. Access the magic within each cleansing stick with ease. Light it, let the fragrant smoke billow, and gently guide it around your space to invite tranquility. Enhance your space with our set of 3 hand-wrapped smudge sticks. They serve as potent tools for clearing negativity from your body, mind, and surroundings, ushering in luck and blessings. What we like. Looking to create a truly serene and balanced environment? This set offers a tranquil fusion of rosemary, lavender, and white sage, expertly blended to dispel negative energies and infuse your space with calming aromas. It's sustainably sourced and perfect for creating a peaceful atmosphere. If you desire a multi-scented experience for deep cleansing and relaxation, this is the perfect option. What people say. The scent is very pleasant and calming, not overpowering. It burns evenly and lasts for a good amount of time. The packaging is also quite nice, making it a good gift option. Number 1. Rosemary Basil Rue Copal Incense 40 Sticks. Experience a captivating and pleasant fragrance that fills your space with natural scents. It's a truly delightful aroma. Enjoy a powerful blend of herbs and resins for elevated energy and atmosphere. This mix is perfect for setting a positive mood. Specially crafted for those who appreciate authentic copal and traditional incense blends. Discover a unique aromatic experience. Try this unique combination of herbs and resins that creates a distinctive aromatic experience. It's unlike any other scent you've encountered. Effectively neutralizes unwanted odors while leaving a soft, lingering pleasant scent in your space. Enjoy a fresh and inviting environment. Each stick is carefully handcrafted by native artisans, ensuring authentic quality and uniqueness. Support traditional craftsmanship with every purchase. Each thick incense stick burns evenly for approximately 1 hour, providing extended aromatic enjoyment. Relax and savor the scent for longer. What we like. Searching for an exotic and long-lasting aromatic experience? This features a unique blend of rosemary, basil, rue, and copal, creating a captivating fragrance that also effectively neutralizes odors. Each stick is handcrafted for authentic quality and burns for approximately an hour, offering extended enjoyment. If you appreciate traditional incense blends and desire a distinctive scent that lingers, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The scent is very calming and relaxing, perfect for meditation or yoga. It burns evenly and lasts for a good amount of time, providing a consistent aroma. The packaging is beautiful and makes it a great gift option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.